Affiliate with the best of them and make some money in the process. Affiliate programs are a great marketing technique that companies use to lure in customers. Companies basically outsource the job of attracting customers to affiliates by paying them for each sale made. When using affiliate marketing, there are some important facts to remember. Use the tips in the following video to properly use affiliate marketing. To best market your site, you should know what keywords people are using to search for you. This will allow you to see if various marketing campaigns are working, such as if you've been pushing a particular product or keyword phrase, and which of your marketing efforts might need some more work. Be honest about who is in your affiliate program. If the reader suspects something amiss, they may just bypass you and go directly to that vendor's site. Doing this means that you will not get paid for a sale. You need to prevent that. Build a loyal fan base through trust and honesty. Affiliate marketing is full of endless tips and tricks you can use to increase your sales numbers, and one great way to get more traffic is to offer people something for free. If you can create an information product explaining some steps about affiliate marketing, you can give this away to loyal subscribers. A great tip for participating in affiliate marketing is to write reviews. If customers do not see reviews about products, they will not know your thoughts about these products. As a result, they will not be as likely to purchase the products. Write reviews on your site, as well as in videos and newsletters. As stated before, companies lure in customers by using affiliate programs. Companies hire affiliates to attract more customers and pay them for each sale. By using the tips from the video above, you can use affiliate marketing to lure in more customers and increase the profits of your business. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.